involved with that. And they'll represent the Ku Klux Klan because they'll say that that's an impingement on everybody's speech, free speech for the principal.
I'm assuming it's lawyers that contact them and mostly get their involvement going on.
They do, and the ACL...
Sometimes maybe personal calls. But
The ACLU does not. I mean, they have some staff lawyers, but mainly what happens with the ACLU is that they recruit lawyers to represent people with ACLU cases. So they're like the VLN, but only on the civil rights side or the policy rights side. Okay. Also, in Ramsey County, you've got the Ramsey County Public Defender's Office, and you have the Neighborhood Justice Center, which is essentially the equivalent of what's going over on the Legal Rights Center in Hennepin. Criminal Defense Services, I understand from speaking with Vicki, that's not in your database. It is, remember we've talked about low bono on the civil side, both in Hennepin and Ramsey, the family law referral over in Hennepin and the Ramsey low fee service in Ramsey County. The Criminal Defense Services in Ramsey is the criminal equivalent of low bono. So what they do is they have lesser fees for people based on income, and the Criminal Defense Services gets part of the fee, and then the defense lawyer who's doing the work gets the rest of the fee. The Criminal Defense Services has the very same address as the Ramsey County Public Defender's Office. And that's because I think that it's an arm of the Public Defender's Office trying to deal with that people caught in the gap who make too much for a public defender, but who can't afford the $350 an hour criminal defense lawyer.
Have they been doing that a while?
You know, they have, and this is why we train on it. So they've been in existence.
So they've been around for a while?
They have.
Okay.
So, and Vicki is working on getting them into your database. You've got the Ramsey County Courthouse Law Library where they're doing expungement work. And I have that in there. And again, we all know the county law libraries, here in the metro area, many of them have law librarians. And our law librarians are fantastic resources. They can't provide legal advice, but boy, do they want to help people. So, make sure you refer your callers to law libraries and make sure that the callers speak up and they actually talk to the law librarians. Ramsey County Bar Association, that referral service is there as well. Okay, we have 5 minutes. And so shall we talk about Zoe?
Yes.
Okay.
Zoe's going to jail. I don't know how she thought to go to the...
I heard the title, Zoe Goes Crazy. I'm like, oh, what'd she do?